Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another protective style, and before everything, let me give you a huge thanks to each and everyone for your huge support you have given me. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you for each and everyone who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe and turn on notification bell. So today we have this very simple yarn protective style, and you can wear this style under your wig, or you can put on this style and put the scarf on top. The most important, you are sure that your hair, they are in protective style. So after I make the lines, I go ahead and divide this small section. You can decide either to put some gel to get the clean section, or just to section without putting gel. Only one piece of yarn I use to attach each section, and here what I'm doing is I'm wrapping. I continue wrapping slowly till end of my hair. If your hair is very long or is longer than mine, you keep wrapping, then you can put the tail back to see the distance you are wrapping. If it's close to the next section, then go ahead and divide another section. So here, after I divide another section, I divide this back section into two, and then the first section I put middle of the second section, and then I secure them together. Then I take one piece of yarn and I continue wrapping. This hairstyle you can achieve within 1 hour if you can do your lines well. But like me, I used to make my lines by myself, so now to make lines is no big deal for me. So this hairstyle take me only 1 hour to achieve this hairstyle. And as you can see, this hairstyle take very few yarn, yet is protective style African threading hair. So here I'm continue wrapping, and a lot of people have been suggesting me to show how I braid my back section. So guys, here in this video I will show you step by step on how I section my back section, and then how I put my hands in different angles so that I can braid well my back section. So keep watching. After I divide the section, first of all, I make sure I have two mirrors, one front, one back, so that I can see everything I'm doing. And then after I section, I hold the section together, and then I continue wrapping. Middle section is a bit complicated because here you have to move your hands in different angles so that you can grab your hair well, or you can hold your hair well, and it's very easy to tag this yarn in this section, but I don't want to tag them. So after this I continue wrapping, but as you can see here, the direction I'm going is different with the direction I do in front. So here I keep wrapping till end, and after I finish, no need to secure, just leave it hanging there and then jump to another section. Whether you know how to braid cornrows or to do flat twist, or you don't know, when it comes to African threading method, it's easiest style to braid at your own. This does not need so many things and is not complicated. What you're supposed to do is only to see what I'm doing and follow it. It's very easy hairstyle. Even if you never braid your hair at your own, if you do this hairstyle, no need to practice too much. Just one time, two times, you already can braid your own hair, a special African threading method. I'm continue wrapping, and you can see down here how I hold and I turn my hand into this direction so that I can wrap it well. Also, you can use any kind of yarn, not any specific brand of yarn that you can use to achieve this style. Any yarn you can achieve this style. And sis, have you subscribed to my channel yet? If not yet, kindly subscribe and like this video for more video like this. And if you like this hairstyle, here in my channel I have a lot of African threading hairstyle. I'll put the link in the description below for different hairstyle. Please check there and you'll find more tutorial on how to do African thread. So here I'm done with this line. So I put the small tail because I don't need a very long tail. So after I wrap till here and then I secure it. So here you can decide to secure one time or two times, wherever, just decide what you like. Down supposed to be smaller while up is supposed to be bigger, so that you can get this curve on this first line. That's how this line goes. And then continue wrapping. These two sections in the middle here, they are the sections supposed to be down, supposed to be smaller, and up supposed to be bigger. And then the rest just divide normal like other section, I mean equal, not one side bigger and one side smaller. Then continue wrapping. You can see here the curve already start to show. So here is the end, and then I continue with the other yarn I used to wrapping the previous section. Then after I finish, I secure and I trim all the excess hair. And this is how this style it is. Very easy and simple like this. And guys, this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful and blessed week. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.